Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Khona into engiyidiscover-ile bafethu ukuthi ama-player, ama-player weMamelodi Sundowns nama-player we-Chiefs, I'm not sure ngewe-Pirates because ngibona ama-player weMamelodi Sundowns newe-Chiefs kuphela. Bahlala endaweni eyodwa abanye, even no coaches especially la kuhlala, if niyazi la kuhlala khona uNuno Santos, ngeke ngisho ukuthi ama-player ahlala kuphi, kuhlala uNuno Santos. Bakhona abahlala lapho nabanye, meaning that already uNuno Santos sekawabonile ama-player we-Kaizer Chiefs waze wahlala nawo wakhuluma nawo because of bane-relationship. I remember this one time, I don't know if baye ba-station kuleya ndawo leya and then-ke bona sebamuvela if bafuna ukuhlala kwezinye iy'ndawo because of mangibheka even uGavin Hunt, he was around that place, not maybe exact place or the exact location, but he was around there. Even uCoach Nabi mefika, he was around there because of mangikhuluma naye uCoach Nabi mefika belapha close to that place. So ama-player amaningi ahlala omakhelwane bafowethu, ama-player amaningi, but-ke khona le ndawo le abahlala kuyo inkulu indawo yakhona bafethu, barenta o-20,000 30,000 abantu abahlala lapha la kuhlala khona noNuno Santos lo ofikayo bavele bambeka khona, like uma usuka khona i-10 minutes from khona ukudrive ukuya eTlorkop. So ngicabanga ukuthi for iMamelodi Sundowns players especially baba oRicino, uNuno Santos, like ku-easy for bona ukuthi bamove around. Angazi ukuthi bazohlala khona lese-permanent or kwesikhashana, but ama-player bafowethu, ama-fans ayalwa ukulwa, ama-players ayahlalela endaweni eyodwa, bayahlalela nje uma bangadlali ama-games because that's where I saw them ukuthi oh okay, labantu laba banankinga. And funny enough akekho-ke umuntu othatha iy'thombe-ke kuleziya ndawo lezi bafethu because of kuhlala abantu abaney'mali zabo, abanasikhathi sama-player. Iplayer lidlalela iMamelodi Sundowns or udlalela i-Chiefs, abanandaba naye because of umakhelwane wakhe la eceleni umuntu ozi-ownela something naye o-rent u-30,000 or 25,000, so they don't even care ukuthi udlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs or wenzani, nabo babhizi ngezinto zabo. So I mean, I'm saying this because of ama-fans ayalwa on the ground, ama-fans alwa aze ajuluke, kuze kushaywane, kuze sometimes kuze kuphume nesidumbu ngendaba yebhola. Bona bahlala bonke badla bonke. I mean, if masilandela uGustin Sirino, we see ukuthi uGustin Sirino isikhathi esiningi uhosta ama-player weMamelodi Sundowns, hosta ama-player mostly ama-player weMamelodi Sundowns newe-Kaizer Chiefs uvela abahlanganise bonke kube into eyodwa, sort of babangani in a way, but-ke egrawundini baya-compete, but-ke bayabangani because of they spend so much time together. Even njengoba manje bafethu kuyi-international break, baspenda bodwa because of baya-understandana bona as ama-soccer players. And then kube ne-group ehlala boma-Terrain side, then kube ne-group ehlala boma close to like in-between i-Midrand ne-Sandton, but ne-outskirts of i-Sandton bahlala almost ama-player amaningi ahlala kuleyo ndawo leyo. So they don't have to, that is why isikhathi esiningi abantu baye emalokishini because leziya ndawo leza, or uma uzikhulele elokishini bakuthathe bakubeke kuleya ndawo le, awunamngani, umakhelwane wakho akakubingeleli nokubingelela, akanandaba nawe, naye uzenzela into yakhe serious. That is why ama-players because of baya-understandana, because even nomfazi ngingakhulumi ngabafazi bama-soccer player, but-ke khona lawo lowa overseas oze nomuntu wakhe, you could see ukuthi naye umuntu wakhe sejwayelene namanye ama-soccer players because of like bayaphilisana bafethu, yibo aba-understand-ayo, bakumkhakha owodwa, just ukuthi kumele babe ama-enemies kuma-big games. But-ke guess what, ayikho inzondo nencane kulama-players lawo, ayikho, zero, bahleka bodwa. And then mangisho lento le, mina abantu bangibuza njalo ukuthi ngisapota yiphi i-team ngenzani. This changed for mina ukulandelela ama-teams kakhulu ngenhliziyo when abantu bengifunda nabo started to play kuma-big teams. And then mangihlala nabo uthola ukuthi umuntu ukhula, for example ngifuna unibonisa lento le, ukhula ufavor i-Orlando Pirates, ekini bafavor i-Orlando Pirates niyibhakaniya nje kini, and then wena udlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs, and then sowunenkinga, sowunama-personal issues lesinabantu be-Orlando Pirates, i-Orlando Pirates kuwe, and kuyaliwa-ke kuma-tunnel kwezinye izinto, uthola ukuthi i-management bafuna khona izinto ezenzakala, uthando lakho le-Orlando Pirates vele liphele nya. Why? Because of i-Kaizer Chiefs ikunike i-lifeline, i-change impilo yakho. So ungasho-ke maybe like awusalisapoti ibhola wena because of usebenza lapha. Bakhona, there is no way, kufana noShabalala, Mduduzi Shabalala usapota i-Orlando Pirates because of emagrawundini uyaya ukubukela i-Orlando Pirates, ahlale nje nama-fans, akana stress. But inhliziyo yakhe ku-Orlando Pirates because of maybe ukhule amabhakaniya laphana kubo, but based on umsebenzi ku-Kaizer Chiefs. Yini into azoyithanda kakhulu because between i-Chiefs ne-Pirates? Gradually uzothanda i-Chiefs because i-Kaizer Chiefs i-change impilo yakhe, to be fair. Well, angazi, okay, ithi ngiyilungise le nkulumo. Angazi ukuthi ufavor Orlando Pirates or wenzani, but kuma-game e-Orlando Pirates amaningi bengimbona umfana abukela ama-game e-Orlando Pirates. But-ke manje uchenjile based on umsebenzi, based on impilo. Akasekho invested in terms of ukuthi usupporta yiphi i-team, uzoba emotional kuyiphi i-team. No, akasekho lapho. Once you get into the football business or football space, ayisekho leyo nto lokuthi ngifavor i-Pirates, ngiyi-die hard Buccaneer. Ungayifavor ukuyifavor, ukuyithanda, but when it gets to i-business, you have to represent i-team yakho kuphela. That's what I'm seeing. And then angifuni but yeah, ithi ngikhulume ngeplay elilodwa bengi-interact-a ngalo kakhulu, uMadisha Mjeka lo bekadlalela iMamelodi Sundowns. Akusiwuye kuphela, I think more than 30 abe-Sundowns-ke abakhulele ku-Sundowns abanye ebengibazi from i-development ye-Sundowns. It's a different ball game. Like i-team bakunika iMamelodi Sundowns lesi abanye banika ama-opportunities. Le team beyayifavor sekayizonda kabi, akasayifuni because of i-behavior lesi yama-player or izinto ezenzakalayo mehlangana namanye ama-player, ukuthi like kunaleyo nto lokuthathelana phansi ukuthi wena udlalela le team le, ngiwine le nto le, wena uwinanga le nto le. Ugcine nje sekathi fuck off le nto le yokufavor ama-teams. Ngiyaxolisa ukusebenzisa i-strong language. Ugcine sekathi akusangeni-ke le nto le yama-team ukuthi usapotani or wayisapotani. Uthando lokusapota ithi uyayithanda i-team, but ukuthi ube yi-fanatic ayisekho lapho because of wona sekuwumsebenzi. Imagine this, yazi ukuthi abantu abaningi bafethu abaripota ngey'ndaba zebhola noma kuthiwa bafavor Orlando Pirates, bafavor Mamelodi Sundowns, but bawishele i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi idlale kahle. You know why? Because of mina ngenza i-content and by the way, I've helped big publications laba abantu abafunda iy'tori ukuthi babhale iy'tori. Isikhathi esiningi ubona kuthiwa i-report-wa kanje, kuthiwa i-former Kaizer Chiefs player ngeke usihotha kuthiwa i-former Magesi player. No ways, that thing won't sell, right? So when you mention i-Kaizer Chiefs, you make more money compared to ukukhuluma ngamanye ama-team. That is why i-Kaizer Chiefs, njalo igama le-Kaizer Chiefs kumele silifake noma ama-journalist alifake ku-media, yonke i-media, whether you're doing i-content like mina, whether you're doing i-content like iSoccer Laduma, i-Kick-Off, i-Diski TV, oJunior Khanye. That is why bakhuluma nge-Kaizer Chiefs kakhulu more than amanye ama-team, because of i-Kaizer Chiefs inemali kunawo wonke ama-team, like inebhazi, ine-fan base enkulu. So you have to align yourself with i-Kaizer Chiefs uma ufuna ukwenza imali. I think the biggest story esenza imali kunabo uSaleng Metrenda, kula ma-publications bewenza imali kakhulu noSaleng. That is why uma ungena ku-Soccer Laduma ubona iy'tori zakaSaleng, if kune-story ezitrenda ezakaSaleng mhlampe eziwu-100, uzibuza ukuthi, and basho into eyodwa kuphela bafethu, every day, like every 2 days bebazokhipha into ngoSaleng, i-update kaSaleng ne yenza imali. Thola ukuthi one story sakaSaleng sibreakhwe yi-Soccer Laduma senza let's say boma 40,000 rands, right? So that is why khona into ebathi ama-impressions nama-click rates abantu abangayazi. So once wathi Kaizer Chiefs, there's something uma uthi Kaizer Chiefs, ma kune-story esizotrenda nge-players trend all over the country, and then they focus more on that story. But i-Kaizer Chiefs itrenda automatic, like you don't have to kuba outrageous, kuba ne-something buzz, kuba ne-something etrenda, kuba ne-something abantu abakhuluma ngayo. Wazi wathi i-Kaizer Chiefs, i-algorithm ifavor i-Kaizer Chiefs. Why? Because of i-Kaizer Chiefs ine-fan base eningi, i-trendsetter, like yeah, cela ukuyibamba lawa manje. But yeah, ama-player bafethu arento 30,000, ayazwana, awekho personal isikhathi esiningi. Ubheke nasegrawundini kulwa ama-player adlalela oMagesi namanye ama-team amancane. Ama-teams wakuma-big team, ama-player wakuma-big teams baba emotional during i-game, but isikhathi esiningi bahlala bonke abangani. Cela uyibamba la. Danko bafethu, ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Making sure ukuthi le page lifika ku-15,000 subscribers bafethu before kuphela mhlampe kuphela lo nyaka, siku-15,000 before kuphela lo nyaka, and then let's say 3 months 4 months into unyaka omusha siku-20,000 subscribers, and then solikwazi ukuligcina ipage lethu singalithilisa, ngoba lethu le page leli sizama ukuba independent. than ukuthi mina ngihambe ngiyosebenzela amanye ama-publications. One day I will reveal ama-publications ebekumele ngiwasebenzele, but I decided to start this thing. Danko bafowethu.